everyone, welcome to my channel Bloom Skills. Today, let's continue with homologous series. In my previous video of organic chemistry, I have dealt with functional groups, and now I'm going to talk elaborately about the concept homologous series. Without further delay, let's get into the video. Members of a class of compounds having similar structures are arranged in order of increasing molecular weight. They are said to constitute a homologous series. That is, a set of compounds having similar structures in the order of increasing molecular weight, collectively joined in the order of increasing molecular weight, they constitute a homologous series. Each member of such a series is referred to as homologue of its immediate neighbor. For example, the following sequence of straight chain alcohols form a homologous series. This is an example. You can see from methane it starts methanol, one hydrogen of methane, it is replaced by an hydroxyl group, or I can say it is an alcoholic group. The same way, the next member, methane, ethane, propane, this is methanol, this is ethanol, this is propanol. CH4 is methane. As we know, CH4 is methane. One hydrogen is replaced by an hydroxyl group to give methyl alcohol. The same way for ethyl alcohol or ethanol, one hydrogen here in ethane is replaced by hydroxyl. See a successive member. You can see how the series come by the next unit of CH2 by adding a methylene group, that is nothing but CH2. You can say CH3OH, CH3CH2. Here I have added the next. The series may be represented by a general formula. The general formula for alcohol is CnH2n plus 1 OH, which gives the molecular formula of the members by putting N equal to 1, 2, 3. The chemical properties of the members of a homologous series are similar, though on some series the first member shows the different behavior. The physical properties such as density, melting point, boiling point show a gradation in a rather semi-regular fashion. The organization of organic compounds into homologous series makes the study of organic chemistry very interesting and useful. The existence of these series is of great importance on account of their predictive value. As we learn about one homologous series, much of the information would be applicable to the other similar homologous series also. We have learned about one homologous series now. The same way, the other homologous series with respect to the functional group will form. This is what we say it as homologous series. A group of organic compounds or a set of compounds under which they will have similar properties, but there might be slight variation with respect to their behavior for few cases, but that group we call it as homologous series. I hope you understand the topic homologous series. It is a very simple topic. So in the further videos, I will explain you how you have to proceed with the naming the compounds. I hope you like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you.